विसोपरांत तुमकां येवकार. गव्हर्नराक जायते फावट सांगून सुद्धा कांयच फायदो जाल्लो ना. गोंयान सरकार आसून सुद्धा नाशिल्ले वरी वा पॅरलायज जाला अशें म्हणूं येता, अशें काँग्रेस आमदार लुइझीन फलेरो उलयला. तशेंच गव्हर्नराक राज्य भवनार हेड काउंट घेवपाची गरज ना, ते खातीर विधानसभा आसा म्हूण तो मुखार उलयला.
We're the single largest party. As per the Constitution and as per the Supreme Court earlier decisions, it is duty and responsibility of the governor to invite the single largest party. They did invite. They formed the government. Today this government, if you see, the functioning is paralyzed for the last so many months. Many of the MLAs are sick. Many of the legislators are sick. And therefore we have demanded to the governor that she should dismiss this government immediately, because it has lost its majority. There is no governance, there is no rule of law, and invite the Congress party to form the government. Now if you ask me who is the leader of the Congress party, we got Mr. Babu Kaulekar. He is the leader of opposition as on date. If there are any changes, the Congress party will inform the appropriate time. Till then, Mr. Babu Kaulekar is the CLP leader, and therefore he is the leader of opposition, and therefore nobody should ask this question. The place to have a head count is the Goa Legislative Assembly. In other words, is the Legislative Assembly of a respective state. So once that is decided by the Supreme Court in the case of Bombay and many other decisions, it is no business of the governor to decide who is the majority and who is the minority. Governor has no powers to have a head count in the Raj Bhavan. The head count goes to the Legislative Assembly. That is where the head count is taken.